Okay, the long-awaited part is here, which is converting from one base to another, and how we deal with numbers with unsimilar bases. Otherwise, I'm teacher Ivan from Wuna Educational Services. I welcome you to our next part of logarithms, which is converting from one base to another. So we are told that suppose log a power b is to be converted to another base c. Then how do we do this? We are introducing a new base, which is base c. So if we are to introduce a new base, then this is the trick. We shall consider the power first. We shall say base c, the new base we are introducing, power b, divide by base c, power a, meaning that as we introduce our new base, we shall take these ones as our powers, but the power becomes the numerator, and this one, the base, is in the log comprising of the denominator. This one is the power in the numerator, this one is the power in the denominator to our new base. That's the trick. Otherwise, after looking at how we introduce the new base, let us look at our first example on this. We are told to find log a power 27 root 3 without using tables. So our problem we have to solve tonight is log a 27 root 3. This is the same as, we can express this as power 3, which is 3 power 3 root 3. But don't forget that root is power half, the square root. That is 3 power 3 times 3 power half. So we shall add the powers to give us log a 3. This, when we add the powers, we get 7 over 2. So we take 7 over 2 down. That is to say, shall end up with 7 over 2 log a 3. That is our final expression. Otherwise, this is an unknown, so we cannot go further. Otherwise, if it was a known number, then we could simplify that. Actually, let us do this where this a is a 9. If we had, let us set our question. If we had log 9, 27 root 3, then this would automatically become log 9. We change this to 3 power 3, and also this is 3 power half, which is log 9, 3 power. When we add the powers, we get 7 over 2. This one goes down, we end up with 7 over 2 log 3, 9. So here we shall introduce log 3. If we introduce log 3, that will give us 7 over 2 log 3 power 3 divided by log 3 power 9. So that gives us, when we continue simplifying, that gives us 7 over 2 log 3 is 1 over, we can simplify this because 9 is 3 squared to give us log 3 squared log 3, which gives us, these two will drop down to give us 7 over 2 into 1 over 2 log 3 base 3. 3 base 3 is 1, so that gives us 7 over 2 into 1 over 2 times 1. And finally, we shall end up with 7 over 2 times 1 over 2, which is 7 over 4. So that is how we introduce a new base and finally simplify or evaluate. Otherwise, I'm Teacher Ivan. I hope to have you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.